Welcome mathematicians to Underwater Math. Today we are going to practice solving multi-digit division problems while using equations and models. Here we go. We use area models in multiplication to help us visualize and break down the problem. This strategy is going to help us solve division problems as well. They are very similar. Let's check it out. With multiplication, each side of the rectangle in an area model represents the factors of the equation. The inside of the model is broken up into smaller parts to help find the product, or the answer to the multiplication problem. When using an area model for division, it's the same idea, but instead of factors, we are given the divisor and the dividend. And we are asked to find the quotient, or the answer to the division problem. Let's try it out with a word problem about good old-fashioned apple pie. A bakery received a shipment of 496 apples. If it takes 8 apples to bake an apple pie, how many apple pies can the bakery make? Let's write our equation first. We have a total of 496 apples. This is our dividend. We need to divide them into groups of 8 apples per pie. This is our divisor. We are looking to find the number of pies we can make, which is our quotient. Using our equation of 496 divided by 8, let's draw out the area model. One side of the area model represents the divisor of 8. The inside represents the dividend of 496, and the other side of the model represents the missing quotient. To find this missing side, we need to determine how many times 8 fits into 496, and we can do this in parts. Let's use multiplication to estimate, or get close. I know 8 times 5 is 40, so 8 times 50 is 400, which is close to our dividend. We subtract 400 from 496, and we have 96 left over. Now, we find a number that gets us close to 96 when multiplied by 8. I know 8 times 10 is 80, which gets me close. When I subtract, I have 16 left. And 8 goes into 16 two times. Since I have nothing left over in my dividend, I know I am finished. To double check, I can add the numbers inside the model to make sure they add up to 496. Finally, to find our missing quotient, we can simply add these numbers together to make a final count of 62 apple pies. Thanks for helping me with multi-digit division today. See you next time for even more fun math strategies.